like to request you to clap your hands with me if you can. Nghe kalung ayang, nghe cá lovang, nghe cá boy vang lên. Khổ về môi nó giống than đốm mà ý là Rohlu Isua cái này cả rau lô cả uy lô anh kim bộ chan đôi mà ila cả rau lô cả vui lô Rohlu Isua cái này khổ về ropui na môi na tin reng ne sana kalau zon cinte san min nei lo mai la Rohlu Isua cái này cả lao lô cả uy lô anh kim bộ chan đôi mà ila Rohlu Isua can nay. You know, I want to share you a little story of mine. I was traveling around the world and have this all kinds of achievements that you could say that I've made it, I've done it, I did it. But no matter what I achieve in life, there was this whole emptiness in me that I don't know how to feel whole again. So then COVID came, it was 2020. I have nothing else to give to this world because I find myself so empty. And I started listening to the gospel. It was 24/7 I was listening to gospel in my ears because nothing could take away that loneliness from me. No matter what I achieve, no matter what I do, ro zong zong at lube Rohlu Isua ni tu kanina ka minron remind me to ka fellow siya ka kinlaw siya ka in siya. If I was here to stand in front of you because I'm perfect, you would never see my face here. God uses those who seek Him with pure heart. I want to remind you that you might be going through something in your life that I know nothing about, and this is what will keep you strong. God will give you the strength to move on. It's hard at first, but it gets easy in time. So one day at a time, okay, my love? You can do that. Nghe kalung khamang, nghe cá zonong, nghe kamang anang le, khovel zong boy la Rohlu Isua kan nei amen ka tri lai lo ka sai lai lo en kim po chan do ma ila ka lao lo ka ui lo Rohlu Isua kan nei Rohlu Isua kan